This 2026 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep's 9, skylight, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, awning, spare tire kit, oven, external shower, auxiliary battery, TV, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH is 15,310 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.